How are you all? So that day we have read the second chapter, The Little Bird. We have read this page and this second one also we have read. Now we are reading the last one. So we have I hope you all have understood that it was the rainy day and the grass was wet, and Joe, Mahi and Beer were inside the house, and a bird came inside the house, and few of them wanted to catch it, but Anu, she doesn't want to keep the bird in the cage. Now they were worried that day because it was rainy day and they couldn't go outside to play. Yes, so now after that all of you have done the homework. Like I have given you a homework out of a house what you can see. Thank you for responding me, and now I'm going to read the last page out and I'll explain you. Okay, as Anu said that they can't keep the bird in the box, so Beer opened the window. The clouds had gone. The sky was blue. The sun was shining. The little bird hopped out. He was happy. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew to a big tree. He was shining now. He was singing now. What was he saying? I like you, Joe. I like you, Beer. I like you, Anu and Mahi. I love the trees, I love the flowers, and I love the sunshine too. Then they said, we love you too. So when Anu said that she doesn't want to keep the bird in a box, so Beer opened the window. Beer ने खिड़की खोल दिया. The clouds had gone. Okay, the clouds had gone. The sky was blue now because the clouds had gone. So now the sky is blue. The sun was shining now. The sun was shining. Okay, the little bird hopped out, and the little bird went out of the house, of the room. He was happy. The bird was very happy because they didn't keep it with them. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew and flew and flew. He flew to a big tree. Okay, he flew to a big tree and was singing because he was happy because they let them free. So he was happy. What was he saying? Let us see. I like you, Joe. I like you, Beer. I like you, Anu and Mahi. The bird was singing. I like you, Joe, Mahi, Beer and Anu. Then the bird loves what? Trees. The bird loves flowers, and the bird loves the sunshine too. Bird loves trees, flowers, because it likes to fly in the open air, in the open sky. Okay, and the kids replied from the window. After the bird flew, the kids smiled and said, we love you too. We also love you. So this is the story about. We shouldn't keep the birds in a cage. Okay, we should let them free to fly in the sky. Okay, what was the name of the story? The name of the story was Little Bird. Okay, now here it is. Read and understand. Write through T for true and F for false. If it is true, then you have to give T. If it is false, then you have to give false. So this is your homework. Do it with your parents. Read it out. Read out the sentences yourself and try to pronounce it properly. I'll read the sentences. I'll be giving you this homework. Okay. The grass was wet. The children played outside the house. Yes or no? Write T or F. Then a little bird came into the house. A little bird came into the house. True or false? You write the answer. Mahi wanted to keep the bird in a box. If it is true, then write T. If it is false, then write false. Okay, this is your homework. Then next, this question number B I'll be giving you tomorrow. Then this also you can do as homework. Okay, so match the columns. A baby. This is a baby. Baby smiles. Rahul. Where is Rahul? This is Rahul. Rahul paints. Then peacock. This is the peacock. Peacock what? Dances. A river. This is the river. River what? Flows. A ship. Ship what? Where is the ship? Ship sails. Okay. So this one you do yourself. This one you do yourself. A and C. B I'll be giving you tomorrow. Then after doing number A, give me a picture of this in my WhatsApp number, and after that write it in your copy. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.